How to send stars in Facebook Reels. What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. For that, first thing you can do is open up the Facebook application, and then once you open up Facebook, you should be finding this home interface once you are logged in. So the next thing you can do after you reach over here is you can directly head over to the Reel section by tapping on the Reel tab at the top right beside the home page. And then once you tap on it, you will be finding your reel. So the next step you can do in order to send stars is when you head over to reels that you like, you should be finding a show your support option on your reels right above the username of the user who has shared the reel. So go ahead and tap on show your support. And then once you go ahead and tap on show your support, you should be finding send a gift option. Now from the given options, you can select the second option, which is star, the one with the 20 something value. So in order to send a star, it is something you need to pay for. So for that, you can tap on send for this much dollar, and right below it we have this add a comment with the gift option. If you want to add a comment, you can type in there and tap on send for this much dollar. And once you do that, you need to go on with the payment process, and once your payment process completes, you will be able to send stars as a gift to someone on a Facebook Reels. So that is it. You may follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.